Hello! Today we're going to talk about how this little relay stopped my turn signals from working. Alright, you guys and gals, today we're going to talk about this little box. It controls the hazard lights and it also controls the turn signals. And what happens is after you've checked all your fuses and your turn signals and your hazard lights still only work intermittently or not at all, it's probably this little box. And it's just a little relay, but they're pretty darn expensive. This one cost me about $45. So I'm going to move the camera here and show you where it goes and what you got to do to replace it. Alrighty folks, so here we have the steering column, and I'm going to hold up two pieces here because I already have it pulled apart. These two pieces here have two screws in the bottom down here, and you just use a screwdriver to loosen them up. And once you got them loosened up, right on top here is where the relay is. You just wiggle that out with your fingers, and here you got it. Same thing to put it back in. All you got to do is get it in place so that your electrodes or your terminals line up. Push it in, and now all you got to do is test it to make sure that it works. So you put your key in, you move it up, and then we're back to clicking away. And then hazards, everything works. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you got a question, post it down below. I'll be happy to answer it for you.